Hey guys, oh my god, my room is so messy. Don't look. My hair looks different today. I don't know, I feel like I look weird. Today we are going to attempt to make outfits literally just made out of ski mask. And I got this like inspiration from this artist, I guess, on Instagram. Called Lasher Felix. I'm gonna put their ad and whatever the inspiration photos and stuff. Yeah, I ordered a bunch of ski masks like a month ago or something, and they finally came. So today we are making outfits out of ski masks. If it comes out bad, then shh, don't tell anybody. I'm gonna pretend like it came out good. That's what we're gonna do. If it comes out bad, I'm gonna pretend that it came out how I wanted it to. But yeah, let's get started. My mask. It looks creepy. But yeah, we're basically gonna try to do the same thing, like separate the backs from the front and make it all like one front piece, one back piece. I'll explain it. We're just gonna do it if Dante permits. Hopefully I could get it to look like his. It just seems like he kind of just, I don't know, like maybe he like takes his lens off like here, like to make like the arm and stuff. We're gonna see when we do it. We're gonna see when we do it. Alright, I've decided I should just stop being a pussy and just do it. Yeah, I folded like these at like a slant. So yeah, I don't know, that's what I'm gonna try to do to like slim it down. I'm gonna do like but yeah, we're just gonna cut it now. Hopefully I don't regret it. I never really like plan out any of my sewing videos. I just do it. I just think about something and I'm like, oh okay, I'll do that, and then I just do it. So that's what we're gonna do. This is the front and this is the back. So it's gonna be like that. Like, you see? And then the middle panel, we're gonna completely take that off. Take off the whole thing, the front and the back. And we're gonna connect the back piece to this part. And then it's gonna be like the middle piece of our back. Yeah. Comprende? Oh, my hand already hurts from cutting. I'm pretty sure I have fucking carpal tunnel and I'm literally like 12 years old. Just like my grandma. I swear, my fucking hands are like 60. My back is like fucking 50. My knees are like, oh my god, 35. Like, can't do nothing. Oh my god, my shoulder be hurting. I pinned all the fronts together. So I'm just gonna sew right here, like, shoop, literally just there, and right here too, doop. I have to clean in the middle of my video. I'm like, should I just leave the sewing machine on the floor and just, that's what I might do, but my back's gonna hurt. My back's already starting to hurt. Okay, so I did a zigzag stitch across both of these edges. So the front is now like together. Sorry, this is a shitty camera angle. But yeah, so I pulled it up more because like we still need the collar. So that's gonna be up here, and then since this is gonna be the back piece, we're gonna have to cut this lower to make room for the arm. Y'all, I broke my sewing needle. I guess the fabric was like too thick. I was almost done. I was really down here. I think cause like the creases. Y'all, I was about to cry. I thought I broke my sewing machine. It was like gone into safety mode, and then like the thing like this thing, it was like loose, like it didn't even move like this, like it was literally going like this, like wobbly, and I was like, what the fuck? And it wasn't moving this. And then I was trying to, my thing, it has like a automatic like threader, and I didn't want to thread it, but then I changed the needle again and then it worked. So hopefully it actually works. I'm kind of scared. I have it on. Sorry, I'm holding the back up, but yeah, I'm trying to figure out what to do next. I connected right here so it's more like straight. I think what I'm gonna do next is like cut one of the arm ones and then put it on my arm and then try to figure out how big I want the armpit holes to be.
Close your windows.
What? I'm not even trying it. I'm just putting over my clothes.
Oh.
Why do you think I have my door open?
I don't freaking know.
I literally have all my clothes on. Alright, so those are the armholes. Hopefully I didn't make it like too big. I pinned this, not pinned it, I clipped it. Yeah, this is one sleeve. Alright, this is what I have so far. I was fixing like the back part because it kind of laid weird when I had it on. But yeah, I attached one of the sleeves and I still need to add one more, but my back is hurting. My back hurts so bad from this horrible angle that I'm sewing in. Also, let me whisper. Some guy asked me if I wanted to hang out, and I said yes. So, I don't know how I'm gonna leave my house because I live with my dad. Maybe I'll just try to like sneak out or something, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I have to get ready because I look crazy. But yeah, I wanted to finish it in one day, but my back hurts and yo tengo algo que necesita hacer. And yeah, I'll come back tomorrow. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. No wonder my throat chakra is fucked up. Okay. I'm back. I still look cute. I redid my makeup kind of. Is this eyelash coming off? About last night. It was okay. I had fun. We watched a lot of anime. It's rare finding a guy who likes anime and that's not a weirdo. Like, he's a normal guy. And like, it was so nice. Like, his house, it was like, it had like a fake fireplace, but it actually was like a heater. And then, I don't know, it was just like so many like cute lights everywhere, and then candles. I was like, okay, some wine. I didn't drink any. I'm ghetto. I brought a Corona seltzer in my bag and I poured it in my cup when he walked out the room. I finished my water and then he was gone and my cup was empty, and then I filled it with my can and then I put the can back in my bag after I emptied it into my glass, and then he came back and my glass was full magically, and then I was just drinking it and it looked like water, so I was just drinking it. I don't think he knew. But yeah, we smoked a little. I didn't want to smoke anymore. He smoked like 2 more J's and he was like, I was like, no, I'm okay. Cause that shit got me like, I was all paranoid and shit. I was all quiet. I was like moving all weird. I was like, bro, I need to chill. I was like, nah, I'm not gonna smoke what you have, sir. And I drank like the rest of my vodka lemonade before he came because I was nervous. But yeah. Anyways, back to the sweater. I attached all the sleeves now, and I kind of fixed the back a little bit. Well, I tried to fix the back. I have to try it on, but I was trying to fix the back because it was making like a really big lump in the back. But yeah, I still need to make the neckline, but right now I'm just going to try it on. This is how it looks so far. It looks cool. I need to look in the mirror. That hit me like a train. I'm starting to feel better now. Here is the completed sweater. It looks so cute, honestly. I'm not gonna show you guys how it looks on until the end. So let's get started on the pants. This is probably gonna be the hardest part. So I cut off both the tops, and then I just have it clipped right now, like pinned. So let's see like if this is gonna fit or how it's gonna fit when I sew it. But wow, this looks cool already. And like it actually fits my thighs. But then we just have to make like this part, which is like the hard part. Okay, so I sewed both pieces together. It took way longer than I thought it was gonna take. I feel like I have chaps on. Just start twerking. Hey. I'm gonna give you guys an update on the pants. It's already Saturday. I'm gonna just show them to you. So, I still need like this part, and my butt is out the diaper, honestly. It's been way harder than I thought it was gonna be. I'm not good at making pants. The last time I made pants was an Ariana Grande video. Kind of almost finished one leg. Let me show you guys. This is totally not how pants are supposed to be made. I just winged it. It still looks like a fucking diaper. But it's okay. We're almost there. We're almost there. Sprinkling and it's cold. Finally done with the whole outfit. Yay. I guess let's show it. I don't know. I'm in the same spot as usual, the library parking lot. Here's the sweater. Cute, comfy, you know, whatever. God, a car's gonna pass by right now. How awkward. It's fine. It's not fine. I lied. It's totally not fine. Thanks. I hate it. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well.
Hello.
I'm inside your house.
Okay. Yellow.
Why did you hang up? Why did you hang up on me?
If you're inside my house, just come talk to me.
I'm in the closet.
Oh, you're gay? That's cool.
No, I'm not gay.
No, it's alright, my cousin's gay.
No, I'm not gay. I'm literally in your closet.
Wait, really? Who is this?
Come find out.
Where are you?
Are you stupid or something? I just said I'm in your closet.
Oh, yeah.